Today we'll be looking at the multiplication algorithm, a 2-digit times a 2-digit equation. For example, 32 times 57. Let's take the problem 24 times 36. Now first I'm going to multiply 6 times 4. And 6 times 4 is 24. Put down my 4, carry my 2, and then I'm going to multiply 6 times 2. And 6 times 2 is 12. I'm going to add on 2 more, 13, 14. And I'm going to put down 14 down here below. Now I'm ready to multiply my second layer of multiplication starting in my tens place. Now this kind of looks like, see, now I'm done using this place, so I'm going to, as Miss Ramos likes to say, we're going to kill him and put him in his grave, and 0 is our hero. So really what this kind of looks like is 24 times 30. So we know if 24 times 30, we know by multiplying by multiples of 10 that I'm really saying 24 times 3. So I'm going to pull it out over here to the side. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry my 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. So I'm looking at 72. But if I had had that 0 there, I would have had 30 times 24, which I know if I suck off my 0 and put it back on, would have been 720, which means right here, I'm going to place 720. But oh, look, my 0 is already there. So I'm going to put in my 2 and my 7. And now I'm ready to add those layers together. So now I'm only looking at right here in this blue section, right here, and I'm looking at 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 5, 6, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So my complete answer is 864. So let's try another problem. And this time I'm going to multiply 45 times 37. I'm going to multiply my first layer, which is in my ones place, and I'm going to multiply 7 times 5, which is 35. Put down my 5, carry my 3. 7 times 4, right here, is 28, 29, 30, 31. So 315. Now I know that I am done using the ones place, so I'm going to kill it, put it in its grave, and 0 is my hero. So once again, it really looks like I'm multiplying 45, same numbers up on top, but I'm really using the 3 in the tens place, which means 30, but I'm going to suck off that 0, put a 3 here, and just multiply 45 times 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. Put down my 5, carry my 1. 4 times 3 is 12, 13. So now I have 135. But again, remember, if I put that 0 back on, it would be this number right here, 1,350. But I'm going to go ahead and put it in. Oh, look, my 0 is already here. It's already there. So I'm going to put in my 5 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place, and my 1 in the thousands place. And now once again I'm ready to just add up these numbers right in here, in this section right here. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, and nothing plus 1 is 1. So now my answer is 1,665. So now let's try a problem where we don't pull it apart and we keep it back together. Let's try that. So let's try one more, separating these two, or putting them back together. And let's start here in our ones place, because it's okay to start in the ones, tisk, tisk to start in the tens. So I'm going to start right here, multiplying 5 times 9, which is 45. And then I'm going to multiply 9 times 4, which is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I'm going to put that there. Now once again, I'm done with the ones place. I'm going to kill it, put it in its grave, and 0 is my hero. So now, once again, I'm ready to multiply 45 times the digit in the tens place, which is a 3, because I have sucked off that 0, and I'm not ready to put it back on yet. So I'll check it there in a second, but right here I'm going to stay in the problem. So I'm saying 3 times 5, which is, not using that one, 15. Put down my 5. And now I'm going to multiply 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 1 is 13. I'm going to put down 13. I can check it again. 5 times 3 is 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. And then I'm like, oh yes, remember? Sucked off my 0, put the 0 back on, and there it is. So now I'm going to add these numbers right here. And 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 5 is still 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. And nothing plus 1 is 1. So my correct answer is 1,755. Great job. So now on the next page, we're going to try something else. Okay, so this time I want you to try on your own how to do these problems. So go ahead and start on the first problem, 34 times 27, and we'll check it in just a moment. Pause the video. Okay, so we know that we're going to do 4 times 7, which is in our first layer, starting in the ones place, which is 28. Put down your 8, carry your 2, and then we're going to multiply 7 times 3, which is 21, 22, 23. I'm going to put that down there, 23. Now I'm done using the 7 in the ones place. I'm going to kill it, put it in its grave, and 0 is my hero. 2 times 4 is 8. Put down the 8. And 2 times 3 is 6. I don't have any carries, so I'm not going to add that on. That's from the first layer. Now I'm going to add those two layers together. So I have 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. Carry the 1. And 6 plus 2 is 8. And 9 plus 1 more is 9. All right, so you should have 918. Great job. Pause the video, and then you can try the next problem. 56 times 46. And then pause the video, and then we'll check it that one. All right, so let's check the second problem, 56 times 46. So 6 times 6 is 36. 36. And 6 times 5 is 30 plus 3, 31, 32, 33. And there we go. Then, now we're done with this 6 in the ones place. Kill it, put it in its grave, and 0 is my hero. So now I'm ready to multiply in the tens place. So 4 times 6 is 24. Put down the 4, and we're not using this one. And put the 2 up. And 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 2 is 21. 22. Now we're ready to add. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So your answer should be 2,576. Check how you did. And now you're ready to start problem number 3. Go ahead and pause the video so you can check your work after you're done. Great job. All right, let's finish that last one. Let's check your work. So, it's okay to start in the ones. Tisk, tisk, start in the tens. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay. And 4 times 2 is 8. 9, 10. 10. Alright, I'm done in the 1 section, so I'm going to kill it, put it in its grave. 0 is my hero. Now I'm ready for the tens place. So I'm really saying 2 times 7 is, not using that one, 14. Carry the 1, put down the 4. And now I'm ready for 2 times 2, which is 4 plus the 1 is 5. Now I'm ready to add this section right here. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. And 1 plus 5 is 6. So your answer should be 648. Well, great job. I'm really proud of you. You did an awesome job. If you want to see it again, you are welcome to go back to my YouTube channel Ramos Rockin Fourth, and try it again. Great job. See you later.